Hi guys, this is 2008 VE Commodore V6. So I'm going to replace this car. Had a bad water leak at the front water pump side. You can see in here the pink color mark in there. This is the water pump, and the back side they have a thermostat valve. You can see in here there a lot of coolant is leaking. There's a lot of coolant. It's the back side in here still. So we need to off this top manifold, and you can see here's the thermostat valve. It's going behind in the back side in here on there. So we need to replace this part and the water pump. So this is the water pump. It's going in there. So I off all the wiper arm insert in here. You have more access to easy to the reach for the rear thermostat valve. Now we have to go off the manifold. So all 13mm nuts, bolts in here. Okay, one pipe in here. Okay, going to lift up the manifold. So here's the manifold. Okay guys, you can see here the backside thermostat housing. You can see in there it's a bolt, one bolt I can see, and the pipe all the way going in here. install the 10mm bolt. So of the two nut in here, you can see there's two washers in there, and this side one hose secure this nut. Okay, we're going to take out the thermostat housing. Okay, there's a common O-ring. It's there, no? So O-ring there. Here's the back O-ring. So you can see the two O-rings. One is deformed, one is alright. So we put the new two O-rings, and the back side of the ring we have to clean that one. Okay, here's the new one, and here's the old one. Going to put the new thermostat. We have 3 bolts. We're going to install 13mm bolt. So we're going to tie the 3 10mm bolts. Okay guys, finally we installed the back thermostat housing. Okay, we installed the water pump. There's some in gasket. Guys, we're going to install the top manifold. We need the two gasket. Here the gasket, the part number. Coming two gaskets, and one is going here, the other one going in here. All good. Now we clean the manifold, the back side. So I'm going to carefully install. Okay. Now put the bolts back in. Okay guys, we installed all the pipe. One is here, another one is here, and the connector in here, and 10mm bolt in here, all tight. Another hose in here, all good. Now we have to put it back in the cover of the throttle body. Okay guys, finally we installed everything. So now we're going to put the coolant as a radiator cap in here. Okay, this is the cap. We have to put coolant in here. So using the coolant of this, the Penrite. It's a premix one for the ready to use. Okay guys, the engine is running. I'm waiting for the fan getting on. Okay guys, fan getting on. That means this breathing system is completed. All good. Okay guys, finally we done the job. You can see there's no any water leak, and the back side also it's very hard to see, no any coolant leak. So all done. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.